All right, welcome back. One thing I want to sort of point out is when doing integration, with variable limits, the variables have to go on the inside. Or rather, I should say, the independent variables. Okay, what do I mean by that? So let's take, for example, the integral from 0 to 1, the integral from x squared to x, 7 plus 14y. Now, because this is x, that means that our integration variable on the inside is going to be y, and then dx. Okay? So, we sort of can think of x as being more independent than y here. Okay? So, our region our region of integration is going to be, well, we have x squared is the lower limit, y equals x is the upper limit, and just that region in between here. Okay? So, we're going to do this integral, but I also want you to be aware that there's another way to do this integral. Okay? We could do this integral as the integral from 0 to y. Sorry. Exact opposite. 0 to 1. Let's change that to a real 1. And then from... Now, when we do this, we're changing this to dx dy. So the x is going to be the inside limit. Okay? That means that x is some function of y here. Okay? And we're going to go from left to right. Okay, that means this line here is y equals x or x equals y. This function here, which was y equals x squared, now we can treat it as x equals the square root of y. And then it's going to be 7 plus 14y. I'm just going to do it like this so that I don't have to erase things. Let's put that in parentheses. And we can do the integral. Okay? So, this integral should be the same as the integral we're going to do up here. Okay, we're only going to do one this time, though. If you want to do this other integral, be my guest. Okay? So, integral from 0 to 1. Now we're going to integrate first in y. Okay, we're going to integrating first in y. So we're going to get 7y plus 14y squared over 2. And y goes from x squared to x dx. Okay? That's going to be, or that is, the integral from 0 to 1. 7 times x minus x squared plus the 14 over 2 is another 7. Now here we're going to have x squared minus x to the 4th dx. Notice this term and this term are going to cancel. So we're going to be left with integral from 0 to 1, 7 x minus x to the fourth dx. And I'm going to let you guys finish that. That one's trivial. But do check that this one gives you the same answer. Okay? All right, back soon with another video.